Make a great choice today with the 2020 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.